I never know what else to say. Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. That is so generic, but really, what else am I gonna say? But anyways, I'm really excited to announce that I did a partnership with ZEELOOL. Am I pronouncing? I should know how to pronounce who I'm doing a partnership with. If I'm pronouncing it based off of the spelling, it's ZEELOOL. I am a huge supporter of this company because I do wear glasses and I can't see. And I always want really fancy, like cute glasses, and I feel like these stores like LensCrafter and all those other places, they don't have really fashionable glasses and they're really expensive. So I started shopping at this company because it's fairly inexpensive and the glasses are freaking fabulous. So we did a collaboration and they sent me 6 pair of glasses that I'm gonna try on for you. I will put the name of it either on the video or in the description. So of course, make sure you like this, you comment, and definitely subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments or you can just send me an email. So let's get to it. All right, so of course, I was supposed to do an unboxing with you, but I unboxed it already because I was so hyped. Let's try the first one. Look at these. They're so cute. I've been wanting a pair of clear glasses too. I love these. These are adorable. And you know why I like clear glasses? Is because they look good with any color hair, and I switch my hair color like crazy. So this is nice. This is giving. My hair is not giving though. Can you stop bunching up in the back? Thanks. And also they always come with the cloth to clean your glasses, and they come in this little case, which is nice because it's not big and bulky. I hate big bulky cases. All right, these I love. I feel like a superhero when I wear these. And I feel like Poison Ivy with the red and the green. But these are fire. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, you can't find these anywhere. You can't find these at LensCrafter. And if you do, they're gonna be like $1,000. Here is the third pair. Very, very cute. You know, this is nice. This looks good on my skin tone. When I say inexpensive, like these glasses don't cost me any more than like maybe $55 depending on the frame, but the prescription is fairly inexpensive, and the frames are too. This is very nice. I love the gradient, and all of these glasses, they're so lightweight. It sits up on my face nicely because sometimes glasses will fall off of my nose. So this is a look, honey. Right. Oh, my favorite color. I like any shade of pink, even though this is like it's a little purple. It's giving fuchsia. And I love big frames. Big frames are in, very 70s, 80s, but that's the style right now. And these are adorable. They're so cute. What is this? It's like a little leopard print, tortoise shell. They're so lightweight. Like very, very lightweight. See? All right. These are different, but we want to be different. We don't want to look like everybody else. Oh yeah. I never had neon glasses before. People will look at you, they look at me and they're like, are those even prescription? Yes, yes, they are. You didn't know that you can get fire frames that are also to help me see. No, but I really like these. These are it. I'm a fashion god, and this is adding to the collection. I like this because you could wear your glasses like with your outfits now, because you know how, all right, your glasses might not be that fashionable, and you'll only wear them like on a computer or to read. These are so nice that I would wear these outside. Is this the last pair? Wow. I've been rolling through these. These are my favorite because they match my skin tone so nicely. Come on, let's get into these. Is it giving? Sorry, I live in Philly, y'all. Is it giving? Okay, now I can finally rave over this without hearing sirens in the background. Yes, oh my God, like it's clear, but it's this brown. Siren has one more time to interrupt me. Okay, it's clear, but it's like that brown tannish clear. Very 80s. I actually really like this, and it's gonna go with so much, especially like I said with different color hair. Oh wow, this is it. You did your thing, ZEELOOL. That was awesome. I love it. So I just went through all of the frames. Thank you so much, ZEELOOL. I really appreciate it, and I'm happy that we were able to do this collaboration. Highly suggest, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Please get your frames from here. Like I said, very inexpensive. They're lightweight, they don't fall off your face, and they are so fly. Trust me, everybody's gonna be like, where did you get your frames from? Everybody asks me, everybody at work, people on the street, my mom, my sister. My glasses are always a hit. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments. You can email me, you can hit me up on social media. My Instagram and my TikTok will be in the video and also in the description. Otherwise, I hope you all have a lovely day. And I hope that you're on your way to put some of these glasses in your cart. See you soon. Bye.